Cloud technology is a foundation of a smart manufacturing facility. When I think of smart manufacturing, it's really where man meets machines. It's powered by Industry 4.0 innovations like artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, automation, even things like drones that I've seen in the factory with RFID scanners that are able to take a inventory of what's in a warehouse, for example, without actually having to touch things. So it's really applying these innovations to factories, to processes within those factories, to make things easier to do, easier to repeat, and also, a bit safer for workers. Oracle's Smart Manufacturing Solution consists of four main building blocks. It's our cloud manufacturing solution, our cloud maintenance solution, and then our IoT production monitoring intelligent application, as well as our IoT asset monitoring intelligent application. So, with these solutions all working in conjunction with each other, it really gives operators, chief operating officers, a really great view of a factory. Asset monitoring is a very important part of overall maintenance within your factory. With IoT sensors, you can set certain thresholds based on what you want to measure, whether it's temperature, throughput, vibrations, fluid levels, etc. You want to have as much control and advance notice of anomalies that are happening with your machine so that you can address those things before that machine completely breaks down and perhaps even throws your whole production line. I've seen a few, very interesting examples of artificial intelligence. It can take a backwards look at historical data, for example, with a machine, and it knows this machine produces X amount of parts per hour. It will alert you if there's something wrong and suggest things to the operator. Do you want to schedule this for downtime? Do you want me to reschedule production to another line, for example, so that it makes things easier? But there's also challenges with training them and retaining them. And artificial intelligence can help with that, right? So visibility is key to production monitoring. Without that visibility, you're not going to have a good sense as to what's going on in your factory or your factories if you're monitoring, several of them. It may happen that one of your factories was expecting a delivery of parts for a certain product that they're working on, and because of supply chain shortages, they didn't get those parts. So then you can kind of look globally and say, hey, we can get those parts from another place, and so we can send them to this factory. Or maybe what we have to do is shift production to a different factory that already has those parts. It's kind of like putting a puzzle together, right? Where you're trying to juggle all of these schedules against when you've promised those products. Having an advanced view of that really helps you to address these things before you have to shut down production lines. We are now getting smarter about applying technology and intelligence to these machines to really help us address issues before they become crises. Production monitoring is really understanding what the throughput is within certain production lines. Having a view into your production line really helps with efficient forecasting and planning. Customer stories and use cases are a great way for other customers to learn what's going on in the market. We've got some great customer stories that we've curated for you, including Alcar, Tetra Pak, Trementina, DP World, Unilever, Ledestri, and the City of San Jose.